guys, welcome back to our channel, and for those of you that are new, thank you so much for stopping by. So today I am collabing with the company Just4Kira. It's been a while since I've collabed with them and I was super happy when they reached out. They sent me 6 different colored contact lenses to try out, and in this video I will be doing an unboxing and giving you guys my honest opinion. So if you want to see what I think, then just keep on watching. Guys, before we begin this video, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any of our videos. Now let's jump right into it. So you guys saw in the beginning of this video how I showed you all of the contacts that were sent to me, including the cases. So I have 6 different colors to try out. And it's really cool because Just4Kira is giving my subscribers 20% off when you use my code GIFTED20. So to start off, I am going to be trying out the color Vision Blue. So let me just show you guys real quick what the packaging looks like. And that's the color with the QR code. I'll list down in the description box all of the colors that I am going to be trying, plus the coupon code, so that way you guys can order some for yourselves. You are not kidding with the packaging. This package is pretty. Hi guys. Let's like rip it. Oh, this should be interesting. Looks almost transparent. I don't even know if you guys can see. So this is Vision Blue. You can barely see it. These contacts that I have, they are not with a prescription, but you are able to get them with a prescription. I'm gonna go ahead and try these on. Wow. And you guys can see the difference. Like, this blue is so nice. Wow. Ooh. What? Guys. Nice. Guys, I really like these. These are really, really cool. 1, they feel comfortable. 2, I really love the color. They did a really, really good job. They feel super comfortable on my eyes and they were easy to put on. So this is one of my favorites by far right now. But I don't know, we still have more to try on, but these are really nice. Oh my gosh, these are so nice. And I feel because like so I got a little bit of a tan, which is really nice, and I feel like the colors that I have, like, it makes it stand out more. But these are really, really nice. I'm gonna keep saying they're really, really nice. Oh my gosh. But guys, so I really like this color. Now let's go ahead and try another one. And real quick guys, I wanted to show you the containers that they sent me to place the contact lenses. It was very clean. So you open it here, and it's pretty basic. And you have the tools in each one of the cases for you to apply the contact. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these off and I'll be right back. The next color that I'm gonna try is called, that is the color. So let's see, because my eyes are already brown. So let's see if it's gonna make my eyes look darker or if it's gonna make my eyes look lighter. Guys, this is interesting. Look at what it looks like. It has like a black border around it. It looks very light in the middle too. It's funny because the first one that I tried on, it looked very translucent and I didn't think it was gonna show up, and it was the brightest one. Oh. What? Interesting. Let me try on the other one because I still don't even know like how I feel about it. My eye is obviously a darker brown, and it looks like this has more of like a honey, and you can still see some of my actual eye color go through like right in the middle here, which is really nice. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then the outer line is a little bit dark. All right guys, this is what it looks like. I mean, it's nice. It's not as, I guess, as impressive as the other one, But this one's really nice for your like normal day-to-day. I just don't know how I feel about the black line around the contact. These are okay. They're not my favorite, but they're okay. I guess they accentuate my eyes a little bit more, at least the color for the most part. I don't think these are my favorite, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on another pair. All right, guys, so the next color that we're gonna try is called Crystal Gray. They are not playing with their packaging. Like, it's so hard to open. Since my nails are short, it doesn't really help. We have another situation where we have the line kind of looks like the same one that I just tried on. Okay, let's see, let's give it a try. Be right back. Right, guys, this is the Crystal Gray. I really like these. These are really nice. These are, again, perfect for, you know, every day. The color is really nice, and it's funny because on the other one where it was brown, the line around it, I just didn't like it, but for the gray, I really do like it. It looks really pretty, and yeah, I still say that the first one was my favorite, but let's keep on trying some more. And again, they're super comfortable, easy to put on. I don't know if you guys can see the color of my eyes. You can see it pop through in the middle, which is really nice. It blends in really nice with the colors. Yeah, that is what it looks like. All right, our next color is called Echo Hazel. So hard to open. Here we have Echo Hazel. Looks transparent, but remember the blue one was transparent almost. And you saw how pigmented it was after I tried it on. So I'm hoping that this will add more of a highlight to my eyes, since my eyes are brown. Let's see, guys. I really like doing these videos. I like doing reviews, they're fun. I think I like doing these videos more because I'm not going to review something or say yes to a product that I wouldn't purchase myself. And I like how I get to come on here and let you guys know what my thoughts are and share, so that way you guys can try it and get a discount on it. I don't know, I just find it fun. Now it's time to open up the other package. Even this part is like, so I'm like trying to hold this so tight because I don't want the contact to go flying. I'm not even exaggerating. It's like really on there. Oh my god, you hear it, right? Alright guys, so I'm gonna try this and I'll be right back. Alright guys, just as I thought, it gives a highlight to my brown eyes. I really like this. This color is really nice. This is, like I said, Echo Hazel. I don't know if you guys can see what it looks like close up. Again, super comfortable. This is perfect for like every single day. For those of you that have like the dark brown eyes, this color will really highlight your eyes, make them a little bit more brighter. Perfect for the summer. So yeah. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and try another color on. I'll be right back. Cider Hazel. I don't know. This is what it looks like in the packaging. So again, it has like a dark line around it. This one I like a lot for the fact that it has like these lines, like giving it somewhat of like a texture. This one is like a hazel color, so it's really nice. I think it's cute, but I feel like so far the last three that I tried on, they all kind of look similar. So yeah, I guess it's okay. They're really nice, and I feel like they look really good up against like my skin tone. Next color, this is the Crystal Green. You can see that it has that black line around it. I haven't tried on a green pair concept. And real quick, this is what it looks like, you know, with the light, and then this is what it looks like without it. The way that it looks with the ring light is similar to the way that it looks with it off. I thought that because it had the black line around it that it was going to look similar to the other ones, and it really doesn't. It actually blends in really nicely. don't know if you guys can see that. This is a really nice green. Really pretty. Like, it kind of looks so gray, like it has like grayish tones to it, but it's really nice. I really like this color. So between the first one that I tried on and now this being the last one, these two have to be my favorite. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure that you give this video a like. Also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok, as I'm trying to grow on those social media platforms as well, and I would really appreciate it if you guys would show me some support over there. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.